Good afternoon everyone. In today's video of discrete mathematics, I will tell you relations. As I have told, unit 4 is having two topics, functions and relation. Till the time I have discussed functions, meaning domain range, types of function, composition of functions and inverse function with numerical. Today I am going to start the relation. So before understanding relation, we must understand the terms ordered pair and Cartesian product of two sets. So let's understand Cartesian product. The set of all ordered pair. Before this, learn ordered pair. Ordered pair means whenever we write something in bracket, it must have some order. Order means sequence, एक क्रम. Here is the definition of ordered pair. An ordered pair is a pair of entries whose components occur in a specific order. Means हम जो भी लिख रहे हैं digits, उनका एक particular order होना चाहिए. It is written by listing the two components in the specific order, separating them by a comma. उनके बीच में comma लगाना है. And enclosing the pair in parenthesis. उनको parenthesis means small bracket में लिखना है. That is order pair. So what is Cartesian product of two sets? The set of all ordered pairs of elements a comma b. A belongs to A, small b belongs to capital B. Is called a Cartesian product of two sets A and B. It is denoted by A cross B. Just remember, Cartesian means cross, A cross B. Symbolically, A cross B is equal to curly braces, then parenthesis or small bracket, A comma B colon A belongs to small a belongs to capital A comma small b belongs to capital B. For example, if A is equal to set 2 comma 3 and B is equal to set 4 5 6, these are set A and B. Then A cross B equal to curly braces. कैसे निकालेंगे क्रॉस? कार्टेशियन विल बी 2 comma 4 2 comma 5 2 comma 6. Similarly 3 comma 4 3 comma 5 3 comma 6. That is the way to find cross or Cartesian product of two sets. क्या करना है? If two sets are given, then A cross B, for example A and B two sets are given, then A cross B is equal to first element, then its ordered pair with other elements of second set, then 2 सबके साथ मर्ज कर दीजिए 2 comma 4 2 comma 5 2 comma 6. Similarly 3 comma 4 3 comma 5 3 comma 6. This is the way to find Cartesian product. Here is the example. Another example. If A is equal to 1 comma 2, B is equal to ABC. Find the value of A cross B, B cross A cross B, B cross B. So how will we find A cross B? A cross B is equal to 1 comma A 1 comma B 1 comma C. Means 1 का ऑर्डर पेयर सेकेंड सेट के साथ. सिमिलरली 2 का ऑर्डर पेयर विद सेकेंड सेट 2 comma A 2 comma B 2 comma C. नाउ B क्रॉस A मीन्स B सेट को A से क्रॉस करना है. सो फर्स्ट एलिमेंट ऑफ B सेट will be ordered pair with other set A. So A comma 1 A comma 2, B comma 1 B comma 2. Similarly C comma 1 C comma 2. Then A cross A, it means set A cross set A. So 1 comma 1 1 comma 2. Similarly 2 comma 1 2 comma 2. Now B cross B, it means set B cross with set B. So A comma B A comma C, B comma A B comma B B comma C, C comma A C comma B C comma C. This is the way to find cross or Cartesian product of two sets. Now let's understand our main topic, relation. What is relation? Here is the definition of relation. Just learn the definition only. Okay, there is no need to learn the whole paragraph. Understand the definition only, learn definition. Just one statement is enough to learn the definition. सिर्फ एक statement आपको याद करनी है, but read the whole paragraph. So what is the definition? Let A and B two sets. Just see this definition. A और B दो set हैं. Then a relation R. For example, a relation is denoted by R. As F is S function is denoted by F. Similarly, relation is denoted by R. Then a relation R from A to B is a subset of A cross B. Just remember the definition. Learn it. It is very 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 important definition. What is relation? For example, if set A and B two sets are given, then a relation R from A to B is a subset of A cross B. A cross B is the Cartesian product, as I have told here. Cartesian product